Alrighty guys, I had a request for this. These are the Carlyle long flank drive wrenches. This is the standard set, and I've got a couple different bolts with nuts on them. We're going to put them in this vise here, and I'll be right back. We're going to see how good they bite, see how good the end is, the box end and the open end. Give me 1 second, let me get these put in the vise. Be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We're going to start with the 9/16. Here's the opened end. As you can see, it fits on there pretty flush. Not too much play. Might need to be tighter. Move this. Now let's crank on her and see what happens. Alrighty, well, as you can see, maybe if it'll focus, the new camera is here, getting it set up and everything, and trying to get used to using it before I try to shoot a video with it. So no more cell phone videos. As you can see, left a little bit of marking on the fastener from biting onto it. Let's try the box then. See, it broke it. Yep, broke it free. Let's tighten her down. Alrighty, well, that's the 9/16. They are excellent wrenches. I love them. Use them every day on the service truck. Alrighty, let me get the 1/2" one ready and we'll go over there. Alrighty, we're back. 1/2" Carlyle flank drive. Individual part number for that is CWLNS116. Let's get her tightened up here. Damn, it's pretty tight. Loosen her up. Alright, she's loose. Let's go ahead and tighten it down with the box end. As you can see, no slippage. Let's loosen her. That's the 1/2". Let's get the 7/16 set up. Alrighty, here is your 7/16 Carlyle CWLNS114 is a Carlyle. It is the flank drive. Get it put on here, and let's get this all the way ran down with our finger. Moving the whole workbench. Alrighty, let's loosen her. Box end time. Damn, that flank drive kind of tore the head up of that thing. Kind of tore the head up. I was definitely cranking on it harder than the other ones, but It definitely tore the head of the face, or the bolt up. But no slippage still. Alrighty, as you can see, the washer's starting to warp. Starting to flex like that, like a U. Well, let's break her free. Well, guys, that's about it. There's the three together. As always, like, comment, share, leave your opinion down below. Let me know if you have these wrenches. I love this set that I have metric and standard of it. They're great. They're really long, and they bite. They bite amazing. When they bite, they don't let go. Well, that's about it for that one. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Giveaway's almost there. 215 or 220 more subscribers, and we're giving a whole cardboard box of tools away. A whole box. Not a little box, a big box of tools. We're giving them all away. But that's it. As always, get out and fix something and get back to work. I'll catch you in the next